Now let's get into the tools required for this course. When creating fishlets, this is everything I use personally when writing scripts for Evil Jinx. All of these applications and tools together make the process of parsing data much easier and will streamline your development process and help you create effective scripts. The first tool you'll need is Visual Studio Code. Versus Code has a user-friendly interface that's organized into discrete sections, which some say helps programmers write comprehensible codes and debug errors. It's an incredibly powerful and versatile editor that will be your primary environment for writing and editing code. Next, we have Microsoft Excel, which will assist you in organizing and analyzing data. If you don't have access to Excel, you can instead Google Sheets. Google Chrome browser is crucial for testing and debugging your fishlets in a real-world browser environment. Along with Chrome, you should have a cookie editor browser extension. This extension allows you to manage and manipulate cookies, which is critical for phishing and session hijacking. Similarly, the Storage Ace browser extension helps in managing and viewing browser storage, making it easier to test various scenarios. Notepad might seem basic, but it's handy for taking quick notes and jotting down ideas. Lastly, an AI assistant like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude can be optional but extremely useful for debugging and getting quick answers to your coding questions. Large language models understand context and can quickly assess and correct issues if you get stuck. Having these tools in place will significantly enhance your workflow and effectiveness in this course. I normally use Chrome Debugger for writing scripts. Here's why. Chrome Developer Tools offers a large set of features that are essential for web developers. The DOM inspector allows you to inspect the document object model, which is the underlying structure of a web page. The CSS inspector is important for examining the styles that define the appearance of web pages and content. Chrome also includes a JavaScript debugger, enabling devs to identify and fix issues in their scripts. The Performance Monitor provides insights into how efficiently a web page runs, while the Network Monitor allows for detailed inspection of all network requests made by a page. Security audits help in assessing the security aspects of a web page, ensuring it is secure from potential threats. Most of the lessons in this course will be using Chrome Developer Tools. Let's quickly discuss Firefox Developer Tools. Although we will not be using this for this course, Firefox Developer Tools does offer some unique advantages over the standard Chrome. The UI customization feature allows developers to tailor the user interface to their preferences, enhancing productivity. Firefox provides more advanced CSS debugging tools, giving developers deeper insights into how styles are applied. When it comes to networking, Firefox network tools are considered more powerful, offering more extensive capabilities for inspecting and debugging network requests. Additionally, Firefox emphasizes privacy, with its tools being more privacy-focused compared to Chrome, making it a preferred choice for developers who prioritize security and privacy in their work. If you are an advanced developer, you can use Firefox Developer Tools if you would like. They overall mirror the Chrome, and the principles and tabs still apply. It's more personal preference, but this course will focus on using Chrome. Here are the direct download links. Make sure to download everything from the primary source so you don't install faulty or dangerous applications on your device. Always double check the downloads. Hello everyone. We'll now download and install all the required tools for our course. We'll start by installing Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code will take a minute or so to download. While it's downloading, let's install Google Chrome. For this course, we'll be using Chrome and its developer tools. Make sure you have it installed if you haven't already. Next is the Cookie Editor extension and Storage Ace extension. Just click Add to Chrome. They'll show up in the top right once installed on your device. Let's install Notepad. I'm installing Notepad++ as I feel it's better than the built-in Windows Notepad. I'm downloading the newer build for Windows. When installing, just leave on the default settings and click Install. As mentioned previously, an LLM will be used to help code and debug issues. ChatGPT works great for our use case. Create an account if you don't have one. Simply log into your account. You don't need to download anything. To show how the tool will be used, I'll simply ask it to help me with some code debugging. Let's ask it to explain the foundation of YAML, as this is the language fishlets are written in. Let's see what the output says. It looks pretty good. AI tools are great if you get stuck or get lost. ChatGPT's ability to understand context makes it super useful for coding fishlets and debugging complex in general. Now that Visual Studio Code has finished downloading, let's install it. Visual Studio Code has been installed successfully. Go ahead and launch the application. Everything looks good. You can change the fonts, layout, or color scheme if you want. This is where we'll be building the scripts in the course. If you don't know how to write code, don't worry. This course is taught in a way where you don't need to be an expert. Okay, that just about wraps up the applications we need to install to get started. See you in the next lesson.